How to make pineapple under the sea in infinite craft step by step. So if you want to make pineapple under the sea, then what you need to do is first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Once you open up your browser, now go for the search and search for infinite craft or infinite fun is the same thing. And then click on the first search and it will take you to this kind of page, right? So to make pineapple under the sea, under the infinite craft, what you need to do is first you need to simply take wind and earth. Choose wind and then earth, and then add these two and add water to it, and then add fire, add earth, and then add water. Make it a lake, and then go with fire and add lake, and add these two and go with earth and add earth and ocean. Now add the island and volcano. Now add water and then earth, which will make plant, and add this plant and Hawaii, which will make pineapple. And now add pineapple and the house, and you will have pineapple under the tree. That's how you can make pineapple under the tree in Infinite Craft. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.